Welcome everyone and thank you for joining me. My name is Sandin Tlapo and today we are looking at data handling, specifically on summarizing data. Now, did you know that it's a summarizing of data? It's a summary representation of information. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to summarize organized data using the measures of central tendencies such as mean, median, range, mode, and an outlier. Now, these are the concepts that we'll be looking at. It's whereby now we will be measuring the measure of central tendency, or we'll be calculating the measure of central tendency, of which is the mean, median, range, mode, as well as looking at the outlier. So now what you should know by now, you should be able to arrange the data in ascending and descending order, given one set of data set. Now, the ascending order, it's whereby you arrange the values from the smallest value to the biggest value. And when you arrange in descending order, it's whereby now you will arrange the values from the biggest value to the smallest value. You should also know how to arrange this mathematically when you are given one set of data. Now, let us look at these two examples. The first one, it says arrange the data in ascending order. It means we are going to start arranging from the smallest value to the biggest value. Now let us start arranging our data. So the first value that we are having there, it's 2. So ascending, our smallest value, it's 2. Then we have 3. You record it down, you cancel it out on your data set. We have a 3 again, we record it. There's 3, you record your 3 again. Then we are done with 3s. Then we check if there are any 4 values. Then we have a 4, you record it down. You have another 4, you record it down. There's no any other 4. We move on to the next value, of which it's 5. It's 5. 5 again. There's no any other 5. Then you move to the next value. You have a 6. You record it. You cancel it out. Another 6. There you are. Then the next value, you are having a 7. You cancel it out. You record it down. Another 7. And then lastly, it's an 8. So you record your 8. So now the number that you have arranged, they should be equal to the number that is given or the data set. So here you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So below you should have arranged 14 values. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then we are sure that every result has been recorded. Then the second one, it says arrange the data in descending order, meaning you are arranging from the biggest to the smallest value. So the biggest value we are having here, it's an 8. You have an 8, you cancel it out, 7, you have 2 7s, so it's 7, 7. So you are simply rearranging this data from the smallest to the biggest. Now it's biggest to the smallest, so you have a 6 and a 6 here. You cancel it out, and then you have a 5, you cancel it out, you have 4, it's 4 and 4. Then you have 3s. You have 4 3s, so it's 3, 3, 3, and 3 because we have already cancelled 3 4 times. Then we have a 2. There we have a 2. Now we have arranged from the biggest to the smallest value. Now, these are the new terminologies that you should remember. We will be looking at the outlier. An outlier can be significantly the smallest value or the biggest value on a data set. And the role and impact of an outlier, it will show a variance in a data set and may cause a bias influence. Now, when we talk of a variance, it's whereby now when you calculate the difference between two values, it will show a bigger or a smaller variance that you will get. And when we talk of a bias, it simply means that value, it's more likely to be chosen in most of the times, right? That's it on our new terminology. Now we are going to take a quick ad break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.